Hello my beauties, how are you? I hope that you all are doing great to your life. So welcome back to my channel Simply Styling. I am Diganta. So recently I had shared a post regarding nail polishes on my FB page. The link is in the description box. In that post I just did not reveal the colors of the nail polishes, but in this video I'm gonna be sharing with you the shades. So I hope you all are interested because you know nail polish is kind of a girly thing, I guess. So if you're interested, then keep watching. So here are the shades of the nail polishes that I'm gonna show you, and you can see my bare nails, and I'm gonna swatch all 4 nail polishes. So this is the first nail polish shade. This is the shade name is Cotton Candy 4 actually, and this is totally matte shade. You can't expect any shininess from this nail polish. So I'm gonna show you the swatch of this nail polish, and the price and everything you will be seeing on this part of my screen. So let's swatch this nail polish. You can see the applicator is very precise and this is very much good, and at this price point I think you can't expect anything else. So let's apply this on my nail. You can barely see the nail polish. Actually it is kind of ghost kind of a color that looks on my nail. So if you are of the same complexion of mine, this is not gonna look good on your hands. Anyway, you know, I am not being racist, I'm just telling you, because you know this really doesn't look good on my skin complexion. You can see it is now looking very shiny, but just after a few minutes it will become very matte. Actually not matte, it will become very dry. So the next color that I have is this color. The name of this color is Red Velvet Macaron. So this is an orange kind of a shade. Now let's let me just show you the swatch. So you must ask me why I am showing if I don't like the shades, because I want you to know, because you know whenever we see nail polishes online we expect that it will be very good, but you know when I see these pictures it was looking very stunning. You can see even I have also a black one which I'm gonna show later. They looked stunning in the model's hand, but I don't know this. I don't like this shade, I don't like this shade, and I don't even like the black shade which I'm gonna show you next. So here is a black shade. It has another name. It is Grilled Chestnut. You know, this looks very classy, but after applying it does not look very good on your nails. Now let me show you the swatch. You will see after it has become totally dry. You can see. I hope you can see that, because the light is coming, it may look a slight shiny, but it is not shiny. Let's now watch this color. I will share a picture of this nail polish what I have seen on Purple, and you know obviously I am applying only 1 coat, but even if you apply 2 coats or 3 coats it is still gonna look the same. I did not expect that that much matteness from any of these nail polishes, but the last one that I have is really my favorite one, which is this color. I really love this color. The shade name is Hot Dog, and this is not a matte matte nail polish, but still it looks very good on your nails. Now let me show you the color. Here is the color. This is the only color that I don't only like this color, I just love this color. This color goes with pretty much everything. Even if you're wearing a sari or you are wearing any western dresses, this color goes with everything, and this looks stunning on your nails. Now you can see that these 3 colors are not looking that much good on your nails, and nobody wants to, you know, invest their money on such nail polishes. But I have, you know, bought this, so I have to keep applying this nail polishes, otherwise my money is going to be wasted. So what I do, I just apply this gel nail polish. This is a regular gel nail polish which belongs to my sister, so I just have to apply this on these 3 nail polishes. I mean, except for this, I have to apply on these 3 nails. So, you know, after applying the gel nail polish, this looks pretty much good. But now just see this color. Now they are looking very similar to each other. I mean, the shininess is very similar to each other because I have applied the gel nail polish. So I expected this result, which I did not get. So why I am sharing with you? Because I don't want you to waste your money. Otherwise, the nail polishes are very much good. They are very much long lasting. Even though I don't do much work at my home, but nevertheless, it stays for a long time. Now you may ask that if I don't like the colors, why I'm showing you? I am showing you because I don't want you to waste your money, because when we see something online, we feel that this is very much good, or this sometimes it doesn't look that much good in front, which I really felt with the 3 colors of the nail polishes. So I wanted to share this with you so that you can relate to this video. You know, if I could, then I would have bought every shades of the nail polishes and I would show you, but my budget is very low, so I can't do that. But I'm looking forward to that day when I will be able to buy all the shades and show you properly, so that you can decide which shade should you buy. Till then, just please keep supporting me. This is all I want right now, and thank you so much for watching this video. I will definitely come back with another one. Till then, just take care of yourself, be happy, stay connected with me, keep smiling and stay safe. Tata.